are you today? And welcome to Letscookolet. Probably you see this in Costco or in any of the major grocery store. It's a tenderloin, but you don't know what to do with it or you don't know how to clean it. And plus you save a lot of money. You save a little bit more than half of the price in the tenderloin if you clean it yourself. What I meant by cleaning the tenderloin is to trim the fat, trim the silver skin, and get rid of the unwanted pieces. So tenderloin, there's a four-part actually. There's a chain, silver skin, and the chin, the tail, and the head. So first thing is, before we use the knife, I'm gonna use my hand and separate the chain. And now you can use the knife. Just be gentle, trim around it. Voila. And we're gonna cut it all the way. Now let's leave the chain on the side. Before we get to the silver skin, we're gonna take this tissue out using your hand. We're gonna cut this side here as well. And now the silver skin right here, just go with the tip of the knife under the silver skin. Keep your knife 45-degree up and just slide down, and here we go. Same thing here, and not much meat on the silver skin. Now we're gonna turn it, and you can see the bottom here. It's called the chin. Now the chin, all what you need just to trim it a little bit, and you don't throw it out because it's the best part for your ground beef. Here we go. Now you go about like 6 inches from the head, and then you cut it. And same thing with the tail, about 6 inches, then you cut it. And you have here the centerpiece of the filet mignon steak. Let's put it on the side. Now let's clean the fins, the pieces here we took out. Perfect. Here you go. Now this piece, it's clean and ready to go. Now there's one more piece here. Perfect. Here we go. All what you need, just will be a little bit patient, and we're talking here saving over 50% of the price, and it's fun to do. Here we go. That beautiful piece for stir fry, and you can see how it's clean and not much waste, right? That's the most important things. We don't want to go a lot of waste. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that piece for ground beef. Amazing. Perfect. So pretty much that's all what we have. The waste from the tenderloin we clean, and you save yourself more than 50% price wise. Now we have here the center cut, the one we talk about. Now you go about 2 inches. Voila. So here we have the steak part, and this part here, it's the ground beef. And this part here you can use for beef brochette. You just slice it, marinate it in the skewers, and ready to go on the barbecue. Perfect. So for the brochette, you have it here. And this piece here, you can use it for a brochette if you want, or you can slice it for strips for stir fry. Perfect for the stir fry. So what we have here, we have the center cut, the steak, and we have the one for a brochette, for stir fry, and for hamburger meat, and that's all what we have, the waste from it, which is not much, as you can see here. So now next time you go shopping and you see the tenderloin on the special, don't think about it twice. You know what to do, buy it, and that's how you clean it. You save yourself a lot of money, and plus you divide it the way you want it, depends what you're cooking. So that will be it for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.